Print using HP AI, optimize print formatting. You can use HP AI to quickly print web pages and emails without all the extra images and content. Just make a few simple selections and you're done. We'll show you how in only a couple minutes, so you can start printing and saving ink, paper, and time. HP AI is currently only available in the United States for English language web pages and for select printer models. Go to hp.com/HP_AI to view a full list of compatible printers and requirements. You can use HP AI to print emails, blogs, or editorial, news, education, instruction, and recipe web pages. And the feature removes unwanted extra content like ads, navigation text, sidebars, menus, footers, or comments. To print an email, select the print option in your email. To print a web page from your browser, select the More menu icon in the upper right corner, and then select Print. Adjust any print settings you would like, then select Print. HP AI Optimize Print Formatting opens automatically. This might take a little time while HP AI removes ads, cleans up white spaces, and analyzes the content. Selecting the Original tab prints the original document. Selecting Optimize allows you to apply the HP AI customizations. Select Optimize and choose the options you want for optimizing the page based on your preferences. For example, you can choose which content to include, the format, and the font size. Then select Apply. If you would like, select Printer Settings to adjust any additional settings. You now have a clean version for printing that includes only the information you want, formatted just the way you like. Select Print Optimized.